Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So today I would like to present my individual presentation. Title is a genre analysis of Facebook conversation on students' politics by Ojunugwa Sunday Joseph. Presented by me, Olivia Ramafitri. Okay, next is introduction. So the introduction, the study investigate the social and linguistic characteristic Facebook conversation among students of Kogi State University, Panyigba. It specifically explore the social function, thematic structure, and linguistic features of this conversation. The theoretical framework is rooted in Halliday and Hassan's 1989 generic structure potential DSP, emphasizing that language structure is intrinsically tied to social context. The increasing use of social media platforms, particularly Facebook, as a mode of communication has facilitated the development of new linguistic norms and practice that resemble spoken discourse despite being text-based. Okay, next, the method. So, the method data collection, the researcher selected conversation from Facebook accounts of students from the Department of Arts Education, Kogi State University, for conversation between pairs of students were chosen for analysis. We continue the findings. The findings, we have 3 findings, by the way. The first one is social function. So the primary function of Facebook conversation was to discuss topic of mutual interest such as student politics, personal experience, and social events. And the next is semantic structure. So the structure generally follow this stage, creating G, optional opening pleasantries, example hi, and opening conversation OC, introduction to the context, and then bringing the topic BT, in initiation of the main subject, and then discussion D, exchange of information related to the topic, and then pre-closing PC, signal that the conversation is winding down, and then the last is variable F, concludes the interaction, for example, stay cool. Okay, next is linguistic features. So the study identified 14 key linguistic features commonly used in Facebook conversation. The first one is material and relational process. For example, verb related to doing, being, and having. And then declarative sentence as the domain mode. And then use of ideational themes to emphasize certain element. And then predominance of present tense, and then short sentence and lowercase letters, and then omissions of pronouns and casual punctuation, and then morphological process like clipping and contractions, for example TNKS, like thanks for thanks, and then used for parentheses and exclamation marks, and then inclusion of smiles, emotions, and stickers, and then repetition of letters of punctuations for emphasis. For example, yeah, and then onomatopoeia for sound representation, and then linking of words, and then occasional descriptive language, and then repairs for typographical errors. Okay, we move to the discussion. So, the study demonstrates Facebook conversation serve as socio-cultural reflection, personal relationship, and share experience among students. The conversation are goal-oriented and involve stage that mirror real-world spoken interaction. And the next, we continue the conclusion. So, the study concludes that Facebook conversation among students are a reflection of their socio-cultural environment. These conversations are structured through a combination of stage, greeting, opening, bringing of the topic, discussion, reclosing, and variable that resemble traditional conversation norms. The linguistic features observed, such as material process, declaratives, present tense, and emoticons, highlight the adaptability of language in digital communication. Overall, Facebook serves as a platform for meaningful social interaction, supporting the view that digital discourse is a social semiotic practice embedded in the context. Okay, that's all from me. Sorry for my mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.